provide formal induction before the actual training starts. And I want to congratulate every one of you who have been selected for this program. I think you can clap for yourselves.
I therefore induct you into the highly esteemed Python programming of ITF and NECA in collaboration with UNITeS Cisco Networking Academy. You are hereby inducted.
Watching the stars in your eyes, feels like I'm touching the sky. Can we stay here forever? The sun's coming up.
In order for you to be a person of value, you must seek to invest in yourself. That's the only way you can be a person of value. And in order for you to be valuable, you must seek to invest in others. Gaining value is the most important thing that is required for you to be successful in life.
Because you know the job, but can this person communicate? Can this person impart knowledge? You know, so it is very important. You can do Coursera, you can do YouTube, different online platforms that you can actually learn, you know, some of these basic skills. It's going to help you a lot in your chosen career.
LinkedIn has also helped me to a large extent. And the reason why I say that is through LinkedIn I've been able to build a network, number one. It's through LinkedIn I've been able to get skilled professionals who are currently working with me. It's also through LinkedIn that I've been able to get to a large extent investors.
Someday we're gonna look back and wish for the life that we had. Some people live in the past and they stay there forever. The sun's coming up, we're coming down. So stay in the moment before it's gone. Let's do something we'll never forget. Live a life that we won't ever regret. Hold me closer before the night ends, 'cause this moment is as good as it gets.
Like us, like NECA, like ITF, many institutions decided to make this program accessible, available and affordable. And in some cases, it's outright free, just like they're enjoying it. So the goal of NECA and ITF is that when you are done, they want you to be able to stand on your own. They want you to be able to produce something from this course. And that's the reason why we added projects and tech competition. But we still want you to step on an additional platform that will make it easy for you to be marketable.
Never gonna be this young again.